Schoolgirl.
Stop! Oh my gosh! This is so exciting! It's Cinco de Mayo weekend, and after I've had a couple of margaritas, maybe one too many margaritas, and made a couple of bad decisions, my next stop is naturally Taco Bell. So today, I have decided that we should recreate one of Taco Bell's best recipes with a Doritos twist. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh gosh, Erin is alone in the kitchen. Where is the expert? I brought one with me. Today, my expert is Mr. Jarrett Sleeper. Hi.
'Tis I. Hello.
Are you a Taco Bell expert?
I am an expert at bad decisions late at night. I do cook a lot. I cook late at night. I cook very stony baloney food sometimes,
Ew.
which Taco Bell is very good about. Like, do you ever realize like everything at Taco Bell is 3 ingredients?
Yeah, it's beef, cheese, and a tortilla.
The king of their items is, of course, the Supreme, the Crunchwrap Supreme. Baby! So we're gonna make one of those today.
We're gonna put a Doritos twist to that.
Oh!
So instead of doing the normal taco shell on the inside, we're gonna layer it with 2 layers of Doritos.
I like that because you're basically they do make their Locos tacos also.
Which I tried to make for this show and it failed miserably, so this is the next best thing. For this recipe, you'll need ground beef, taco seasoning, queso cheese dip, flour tortillas, Doritos, sour cream, shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and a Mexican cheese blend. First thing is first,
Okay.
we have our tortilla. You have to get a big one, a jumbo juicy.
Of course, well, you need to be able to wrap a crunch in it.
They're so soft already.
They actually are pretty soft.
Yeah, but you have to be careful when you put little crunchy things inside that you don't tear through your tortilla, right?
You want to warm them up a little, you're saying?
Oh yeah,
Do
we
you
do
want-
have to warm them up.
It might just help get some of this gluten elasticized a little bit more. You know what I mean?
Is there gluten in this?
Yeah, it's flour!
Oh. Now it's time to make our Crunchwrap Supreme.
Okay.
So what you have to do is you have to cut a small tortilla
Oh.
out of the big tortilla.
Oh!
And I have these scissors that I'm not sure you won't get tetanus from. So while I'm doing this, can you grab our ground beef that we've already pre-cooked with taco seasoning?
Oh, here it is.
Oh, there it is. How does it smell?
Ugh! Smells like childhood. What shape is this, Aaron?
I thought it was a circle.
Huh.
I meant to cut a circle.
Yeah.
I really feel like it's art, you know?
It is. It's a very abstract interpretation of a circle. I think there's a lot going on here.
This is really showing you who I am on the
It
inside.
really is. Aaron's like, I'm gonna cut a circle now.
Things
a
are
circle,
not well.
okay?
Things are not well. This is all about layers, okay? You want to
Great.
get your hot ingredients separated from your wet ingredients, but
Usually I like those to be the same ingredient. Hot and wet.
I don't know how I didn't get that. So instead of layering 1 layer of tortilla shell, I want to do 2 layers of Doritos because you can never have too much Doritos.
I think you're right, actually.
I have some spicy nacho Doritos.
I love Doritos.
Oh my gosh, smells like fresh feet, you know? When you're
Oh,
growing
it
up and you're like on the school bus, you're like,
does.
is that someone's feet or are they eating nachos? I can't tell. No, it's just.
You're like, either way, delicious.
So we need flat Doritos. So the flatter, the better.
Okay, I'll go one.
So you just layer a nice little circle again. Can we
Whoa.
make a circle out of triangles?
Triangles.
I think.
Wait, this will make a circle. If we do them like this.
Oh my gosh, yes. Yes. Wow, you can make a circle out of triangles.
The power of geometry!
Yeah, pizza.
Pizza?
It's a circle of triangles.
Pizza is a circle of triangles.
You shut your mouth.
So now that we have our layer of Doritos,
Yeah.
now we do our ground beef that's already been seasoned. So do you want to
Okay.
add a layer to
Yeah,
that?
let's just do it.
I think you should use the spoon.
Okay. For you, I will use this.
Thank you. Now you don't need as many ingredients as you think you do because we have to really be able to wrap this. So that might be enough if you want to sprinkle it.
You are right. You are right. I always overload my tacos.
That's good. That's good. We got a lot of meat. Too much meat. Said no one ever until the show.
No, you're right. You're right.
Okay.
Everything
now,
in moderation. We're destroying the planet with meat. It's true.
now that we have our meat, we're gonna add our hot queso.
Oh, yeah.
You can use queso dip or whatever cheese dip you have around, Velveeta.
Queso's usually made out of Velveeta if you make it at home. It's Velveeta and like Rotel, I think is the basic Tex-Mex.
Oh.
Is you take like It's rota. I'm pretty sure it's like
This
rotel
entire
salsa and
episode is
queso.
going to be Jarrett's food facts.
I'm obsessed with food.
Yeah, I can tell. So I'm just gonna do a little drizz.
Okay. Ooh, nice little drizz. Nice little drizz.
Oh, look at it go.
That looks really good.
It really looks good. I want to eat this right now. Bringing out the Doritos again. And we're gonna do another thin layer.
Make it a circle. They have to be flat.
So now we have this barrier layer here. To
Great.
keep,
I love that.
to keep our cold ingredients from getting soggy.
It's basically a lasagna.
It is. It is a Taco Bell Mexican Cinco de Mayo lasagna.
Okay.
Right? No.
The most American thing it could ever be, for sure. I mean, I don't want to disrespect Mexican cuisine by. This is about as American as you can
What
get.
is that laugh? And now we just sprinkle however much we want. How much do you think? I'm gonna do some cheese, you know.
Shredded cheese.
Yep, I'm gonna do some tomatoes.
Oh, not too much tomatoes. You're gonna okay, or that many.
I just put too
Tomatoes
many.
can make it soggy. You gotta be
Yeah,
careful.
yeah, that's a good tip.
I like shredded lettuce, shredded cheese. It's lettuce and cheese that's been going to the gym a lot.
Okay, and just a little bit of sour cream.
Sour cream, love it.
Just
I
a
love
little
sour
dollop.
cream. You gotta do these little moves. You know? So you
I-
get it.
I-
Well,
No, I think it's gonna be
Okay.
too fat.
no, the fat's what makes it good. That's good for you too, by the way. Not gonna go into a whole thing, but it is.
Avocados. And now we do one final little layer here.
Great.
Just to make sure you have all the crunch that you can possibly have, because, you know,
What's your
Doritos are
aesthetic
the-
here? Do you want me to clean? Do you want to clean up the mise?
No, no, embrace the mise. How do you feel about that?
It looks good. It's messing with my sense of symmetry, of course, but I'm not gonna make a big deal about it. I'm fine. Ha 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 ha.
Then we take our circle that we cut out earlier, and then we add it here.
You made a little hat.
It is.
Great.
See, I was thinking more stylistically, like fashion-wise when I made that
Yeah.
circle. And now look, watch this.
Okay.
This is where the magic happens. Are you ready? See that little circle? Mm-hmm. Keeps all of our juicy stuff from falling out.
It's just folding it up.
Right?
Yeah, I love this.
Okay, I need some
We
help.
should smush it down a little bit.
What do you think?
I think can I smush it?
No, because then it takes away the crunch. Is
Um,
it ready? Should I
No, just
spit
give
in
it a
it?
minute. It's brand no.
See if it's.
Is that how you do it at home? I used to do the thing where you put your hand underwater and just go like that.
Yeah. You gonna put a little piece of cheese
Spit
in
though.
there?
No.
Oh look, it's melting.
Actually, we'll try that on the next one.
Oh yeah. Put a little
feel
cheese
like-
down there.
yeah, just-
Let's do that. Let's do it now. Let's
It's
do
gonna
it
be
now.
really good actually. if you
Actually,
do that.
yeah.
Just-
I love that we're on the
yeah,
same
yeah,
page that we
yeah,
don't even
yeah,
have to
yeah.
say words, but we know what each other are thinking.
That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna get those little crispy little.
Yeah, little crispies. Okay, you ready?
This is a good
Everyone's
idea. This
freaking
is a
out.
good idea.
Everyone, I have it under control.
You got it. Confidence. Okay.
It was too
Stop
big.
it. Stop it.
It's okay, I did it. I saved it.
It needs pressure. It
It needs
needs you to
pressure.
get it down.
Just like a diamond needs pressure to be a diamond, right? I have an idea.
That's correct.
Yep. Right? I'm a freaking chef, guys. Yes. Put that tequila to work. Yes! Freaking hell yeah!
Give it a
Cinco de
minute.
Mayo is gonna be lit.
Let's take a peek.
think
A
we should-
gentle peek. A gentle peek. See the shape it's holding. Is it holding its shape? I don't want it to fall apart. No, we need a bigger spatula. That's not gonna work. We need something that can get under it.
That's like a decorative spatula. I think that's from Target's like home
Okay. Yeah, we're
decorate
good.
your house section. I've got you. I'm here for
You
your
got a
support.
pen?
I'm supporting
Okay,
you.
okay.
We gonna flip it?
Yeah, wait, let go.
Okay. Okay.
Good girl.
Stop! Oh my gosh! This is so exciting! This looks so good. This looks better than anything you've ever had at Taco Bell. Yes.
Come on. Come at me. Look at this.
Are we ready to cut into this?
Do you have a knife?
I thought we could just use this.
Well, we could actually, but I think a knife will give you a nicer
Aesthetic.
aesthetic.
Oh, I have this.
I mean, when in Rome.
Yes.
This
You are
is the
in
most
Rome.
realistic cooking show on TV, though. Like being like, oh, do we not? Oh, sorry. What do we use? I don't know.
I mean, no one
Sorry, we're
has
in a
professional
home.
stuff.
So real, so real. You're like, can you not use? That's the decorative one. No, you're right.
And we don't
Sorry.
have one to use.
Who would
This
have a
is to
functional
decorate.
kitchen?
I know. Here we are. I'm gonna give you
excited
the
about
big
this.
piece.
Thank you. That's really nice of you.
And I think we should dig in. Cheat
Let's
day
do
style.
it. This is beautiful. Well done. Look at ooh.
Oh, look at that. There's been nothing
Really impressive.
more beautiful done on this show so far.
It's really. I mean, this is great.
And it kind of really does smell kind of like Taco Bell.
Does. I think it's the way that like that shreddy iceberg lettuce when it heats up, it gets this kind of like delicious fart smell. Do you know what I mean? You said Doritos smell like feet.
Yeah, but they
Feet,
do.
feet can be
Lettuce
delicious.
doesn't
So
smell
can
like
farts.
fart.
What?
All right, here we go. 1, 2,
Two.
3.
Yeah. Oh. Really good.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Taco Bell is not ready for the requests we're gonna get for this. This
Oh
is
my
so
God.
good. Gosh. Oh my Cholula, yes.
I wanted a little
And
heat.
ranch dressing.
Ooh, ranch is smart.
I brought this from my house because I knew you'd want it. So I really think Taco Bell's gonna call us very soon and want us to come teach their chefs how to do this in their kitchen. Call us, our info's in the description box. Speaking of, guys, let us know in the comments if you liked this episode. Are there any other restaurant recreation copycat recipes we should try on the show? Do you like Doritos? Do you like Taco Bell? Do you like Jarrett and myself? Also, don't forget to go check out Jarrett's new podcast. We'll put a link in the description too, and go follow him on social media.
Thanks, yeah.
And I think you should try this, really, truly.
Yeah.
It's so delicious.
It's so delicious.
Okay, well, I gotta eat, so I gotta go, but love you. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you next week, right? Are you gonna come back?
Whatever.
Click left to watch Lily get microbladed, or click right to watch last week's episode of What the Flavor.